Hello everyone, welcome back to the Top Cars TV. Today we are diving into one of the most popular SUVs in its segment, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, a vehicle that continues to dominate roads with its bold presence, rugged DNA, and improved refinement. And in this video we'll walk you through everything you need to know from its design to performance, standout features, safety, pricing, and whether it's still worth buying in 2026. The exterior of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner takes a more aggressive and modern approach while still keeping its signature muscular identity, featuring a redesigned front grille with sharper chrome accents, sleeker LED headlamps with updated DRL signatures, and a more sculpted bumper that gives it a premium yet tough look. The side profile remains bold with large alloy wheels and strong character lines, while the rear gets refreshed LED taillights and a slightly tweaked tailgate design. Overall it blends sophistication with off-road toughness, making it equally appealing for city drives and rugged adventures. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Fortuner continues to offer powerful and reliable engine options, including an updated 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine and possibly a refined petrol variant depending on the market, delivering strong torque and smooth power delivery, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. The SUV also comes with improved suspension tuning for better ride comfort and handling, and the 4x4 variants maintain their legendary off-road capabilities with features like low-range gearing and terrain modes, making it one of the most capable SUVs both on and off the road. One of the biggest unique selling points of the Fortuner has always been its durability and reliability, and the 2026 model builds on that reputation with enhanced interior comfort, improved infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium leather upholstery in high trims, and a more refined cabin experience overall. It also offers strong resale value, a trusted brand name, and versatility as a family SUV as well as an off-road machine, which very few competitors can match in this segment. In terms of safety features, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner comes equipped with a comprehensive package including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, traction control, hill assist and descent control, along with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert in higher variants, making it not just powerful and stylish but also a very secure vehicle for both urban and highway driving. Talking about the price, the 2026 Fortuner is expected to be positioned in the premium SUV segment with a slight increase over previous models due to added features and updates, with prices varying depending on the variant and market, typically ranging from mid to high-tier SUV pricing brackets, but considering its strong build quality, reliability, and brand value, many buyers still see it as a long-term investment rather than just a purchase. To conclude, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner continues to be a solid all-rounder SUV that offers a perfect blend of power, luxury, reliability, and off-road capability. It may not be the most tech-loaded compared to some newer rivals, but what it delivers is consistency, trust, and performance that stands the test of time, making it an excellent choice for those who want a dependable SUV that can handle anything from daily commutes to extreme terrains. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top Cars TV for more such content.